To fix the issue of your Instagram broadcast channel not showing, follow these simple steps. First, open your Instagram app, tap on the message icon in the top right corner, then tap on the pen icon on the right. Here you should see the option for Instagram broadcast channel, but if it's not showing, proceed as follows. Go back to your home page and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three bar icon in the right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tool, then select to switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue and you'll see a couple of options. Choose one, for example, Digital Creator, and then tap Done. Next, you'll see Creator and Business option. Select Creator and then tap Next. Afterward, you can select Not Now, and you'll notice your profile has now changed from a private account to a creator account. Now go back to your inbox, you should see different options pop up. Tap on the pen icon in the top right, and again, the Instagram broadcast channel should now appear. If it still doesn't show, you'll need to report the problem to Instagram. Go back to your profile, tap on the three bar icon, and select Settings and Privacy again. Scroll down to the bottom and select Help, then Report a Problem. Tap Report a Problem once more, and then select Don't Include and Continue. From here, you need to explain the problem you're experiencing. You can copy the text I provided, and as if you wish, you can also attach a screenshot. Tap Send, and from the top right corner, your message will be delivered to the Instagram Help Center, and your issue should be resolved.